Authenticity and trust, they're the currency of the internet. Want to know how to earn it? Spanish while you're driving. Hey Pixels, my name's Alex, and I'm multilingual. Puedo hablar español con fluidez. Ich kann fließend Deutsch sprechen mit einem kleinen hessischen Dialekt. I naravno, tečno govorim srpsko-hrvatski. Scrolling past ads? Not anymore. I create UGC that feels authentic, relatable, and built to grab attention in nanoseconds. That's some good coffee. Need a host that makes people stay on your channel? I bring clarity and energy as a YouTube host, giving your channel a confident voice and a face that your audience can connect with. Your voice deserves to be heard, literally. I produce podcasts and podcast clips that helps you build trust, authority, and conversations that people actually want to binge on. Learning made simple. I produce course presenter videos that guide learners step by step. It's professional, engaging, and easy to follow. Your brand deserves more than just stock footage. I also do acting and modeling so that your brand has that real human touch on camera. Complicated software? Let's fix that. I make SaaS demos that explain features simply so that your users get it right away. Here's what people want to see before they buy. I create product reviews that build trust and highlight what makes your product shine. And behind the scenes, I handle the editing and motion graphics to pull everything together and create that nice, polished finish. So, what makes me different? I keep things authentic, versatile, and global. So if you're ready to earn some customer loyalty and not just views, reach out and let's make it happen.